This is the question of Joint Entrance Main Physics question paper 2019. So let us understand how we solve the question. Here, a L-shaped object made of thin rods of uniform mass density is shown in figure. If AB equals to BC, then the angle made by AB. If we draw the diagram, this is the L-shaped object. This is the L-shaped object. This is C, this is B, this is A. So here this is the dotted line. To suppose this is N, and the mass of this L-shaped object is suspended from a string. Suspended from a string, and the mass of this L-shaped object is acting downwards. This is mg. The mass of this string is acting downwards, so this is mg. And here this is mg, and let us suppose this is capital M. This is capital M, and here also the mass of this portion is downward, acting as downward, and mass of this portion acting in this direction. And let us suppose this point is P and this angle is theta. Here suppose this is C1, and this point, the mass point, is C2. Here the angle is also theta, this angle is also theta, and this mass point is also here. This is C1 and this is C2. So let mass of one rod, is M. Then balancing torque about hinge point. Then we can write balancing torque about hinge point mg into C1P and mg into C2N.